If you want a simple way to keep your body moving without beating up your joints, this might surprise you. Whether you're in your 30s trying to stay active, in your 50s protecting your joints, or older and wanting gentle movement, I've been using this foldable air walker since 2019, and it still impresses me. One of the biggest benefits for me has been improved circulation and reduced stiffness. The motion feels natural, almost like walking or light skiing, but without impact. It doesn't hurt my knees or hips, which is very important. You can move faster for aerobic benefits, or slow it down for steady, gentle movement. What most people don't realize is that you can also use it for isometric training. I hold my legs or arms extended for about 5 seconds and repeat that 10 times on each side. Lean forward and you engage one set of muscles. Lean back slightly and you activate another. It works your hips, arms, stomach, glutes, thighs, and legs, so it becomes more than just cardio. The digital monitor tracks time, steps, and calories, which helps keep me motivated. It folds flat for easy storage, and I twist the base caps to stabilize it so it doesn't wobble. The textured pedals feel secure and safe, and the adjustable abdominal pad helps maintain proper posture or can be easily removed. All ages in my family use it at their own pace. For me, this has been a dependable, joint-friendly, versatile piece of equipment that has truly stood the test of time. I put the link in the description so you can get it at the best price and with a guaranteed 30 days refund or replacement. And see my 6 Steps to Health plan.